Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and now I can show you how to set up parental controls on this device. Okay, firstly you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and click Accounts and Backup. Here click Manage Accounts, Add Account, Google, and now you need to add child's Google account on this device. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know. Okay, now enter child's email. And then the child's password. Click Next. I agree. Cool. Now open Google. Scroll down, choose parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Choose here child's Google account, continue, and now you need to link child's Google account to your parent Google account. So here you need to log in into your parent Google account. Enter child's enter your password, parent password. Click Go. Wait a while, scroll down and confirm child's password. Click Allow. Click Next. And cool, now scroll down and click Next. Click Next, and cool, now you can go back to home screen. Cool. Fine. Now you need to open Play Store or App Store on your parent device. I'm so sorry, wait a while. Cool. Now open the App Store on your device and find here Family Link. Install it, and here you need to log in into your parent Google account. Enter your email, enter your password, click Next. Cool. Here you will see child's Google account, or all child's Google accounts here. In my case, on this device I have HDDB. So click on child's Google account and cool. As you can see, we have fully control of the child device. We can block separate application on child's device, and we can block all child's phone. For example, I can block separate applications. How can I do it? So to block child's applications, you need to open apps, click limits, and find the app to block. For example, I want to block Google Chrome. So just click on the sandwich and click set limit, or just click block. Wait a while, and as you can see, Google Chrome was successfully blocked on the child's phone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.